Hello everyone, welcome back to our Chinese language class. I hope you all are doing well and practicing Chinese every day. In today's lesson, we are going to study 这个工作是他帮我介绍的. He recommended me for this job. First of all, we have a little warm-up activity. 生日 means birthday. The answer is C. Wangshang means evening. The answer is F. Liangge means two sun. The answer is E. Tianhua means telephone. So the answer is D. Hansu means reading book. Answer is A. And the last one, gōngzuò means work, job or company. So the answer is B. Now let's moving forward. Our first text. In the classroom. 生日快乐 Happy birthday. 这是送给你的 This is for you. 是什么 What is it? 是一本书吗 Is it a book? 对，这本书是我写的 Yes, a book written by me. 谢谢你了 Thank you so much. Also we have some new words. 生日 means birthday. 快乐 means happy, glad. Ge, it's mean for you. Now we have our second text. 早上有你一个电话 Someone called you this morning. 早上 mean morning. 电话是谁的 Who? Whose call? 不知道 I don't know. 是儿子接的 Our son answered it. How? Okay. 王想我问一下儿子 I will ask him about it this evening. 接 to receive. 王想 evening or night. One to ask. The third text is on the playground. 你喜欢踢足球吗 Do you like play football? 非常喜欢 Yes, very much. 你是什么时候开始踢足球的 When did you begin to play football? 我是1岁的时候开始踢足球 I was 11 when I played football. 已经踢了4年了 For the first time, it has been 10 years. Now we have 3 new words here. 非常 very much. 开始 to begin. 已经 already. The last one text is in the company. 在工作你在这工作多长时间了 How long have you been working here? 已经2年多了 More than 2 years. 我是2011年来的 More than 2 years since 2011. 你认识谢先生吗 Do you know Mr. Xie? 认识 Yes. 我们是大学同学 He is my college classmate. 这个工作是他帮我介绍的 He recommended me for this job. And we have 4 new words in the last text. First one is Chang, long. Liang means 2. Bāng means to help. And the last one, jièshào means to introduce or recommend. That's all for today's HSK 2 lesson 4. If you enjoy this class, please like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Keep practicing Chinese every day because small practices daily create big improvement. So see you in the next class. Bye bye, Zhège.